after that relationship, I became the baby mama. Well, I became the wife, but then I became the ex. So I wrote this piece called Letter to the Ex, because we got ourselves a Miss New Booty. So I had to deal with that. And I'm telling you, when you're a poet, when you're a writer, all type of shit come out. You just get mad one day, take your notebook and start just writing shit. So I wrote this piece, Letter to the Ex, and of course my ex, he loves it. So, Dear Miss New Booty, now it sings. Ever since he met you, he's doing new things. Now that he's hugging, kissing, loving you, the new chick, he forgot all about me, the sister he had his kids with. Now when he see me, he want to act like he don't know my name, can't stand to see my face, and at the end of the day, for that, you know what? She wouldn't shit game. But guess what? I'm good. So that makes me okay. Because I have other stuff to do besides point the finger and lie blame. But I tell you what, here's what I will say. It always amazes me when brothers start acting brand new, especially when it was no longer than a month or two. He was on the phone crying, baby boo, I still love you. And now that he had gone and got himself something fresh to taste, he want to act like the love we shared was a big mistake. He want to act like it was all we, and because you Miss New Booty, you can't do shit but nod your head, yes, and agree. But girlfriend, please, before you copy his ex, his baby mama, or some other type of derogatory slang, please be able to put a face with my name. Because in the big picture, we both women, and that makes us the same. For him, this is just some immature game. Because if he was any real man, he wouldn't say anything against my good name. Especially when sad to say, he can't even pay his child support in the right way. He beefing and complaining about that money I received. He forgot all about his little girl's emotional needs. Especially when she at home crying, honey, why come daddy no longer loves me? And just a little word of wisdom, some advice to you. He didn't leave me. I left him because he started acting a fool. It'll be just a second, a moment, some point in time when he do that same bull to you. How do I know, you ask? Because at some point in time, baby girl, I was a Miss New Booty too. Sincerely yours, the ex.